Hi everyone. In previous episode, I show how we can use machine learning and an API-based approach to predict employee attrition risk. Today, I want to explore the same people analytics use case, but from a Microsoft Fabric perspective. The goal is still the same: generate the attrition risk prediction that can support HR decision making. But in this case, the architecture is going to change. With the API approach, the model usually works as an external service completely. We send the data, then we receive, we process the result in a workflow. In this case, it was Power Automate. But with Fabric, we can build a more centralized analytics environment, right? So here, where is the concept of OneLake, the pipelines, the notebook, and even the semantic model of Power BI is going to become more important. So Fabric is going to allow us to organize the full people analytics process in just one place. So basically that's the big gain. So we can bring the data into Fabric, prepare it, store it in the Lakehouse. Then we are going to apply the machine learning logic on the notebooks. Then we're going to store the scoring process in an internal data table. So then we can consume on the semantic models for the Power BI report. So here, the value is not only in the dashboard, but it's more related on the environment, right? Because it's going to be more solid. So the API approach is still very useful, okay? Especially for real-time predictions and app integrations. That should be a nice mechanic to work on it. But Fabric is more powerful when we want to manage the full analytic lifecycle: data preparation, the storage, the model execution, automation, and the governance, and even the reporting. So compared with the previous API-based approach, this Fabric demo shows another way to reach the similar result. The API approach focuses on integration. The Fabric approach focuses on centralization, governance, and analytical scalability. Both are valid, but Fabric gives us a broader environment to manage the full people analytics lifecycle. That is why I believe Fabric can be very powerful for HR analytics initiatives. It helps to connect data, machine learning, the automation, and the reporting in just one ecosystem. So thanks for watching. I will continue exploring more examples around Microsoft Fabric, Power BI, machine learning, and people analytics.